Hi guys, it's Jennifer here today, and this video is all about the steps we take to maintain healthy ends. I'll be showing you the whole routine and breaking down the steps we go through to maintain healthy ends and retain length. So if you like the sound of this, do keep watching. But before you do not forget to click the subscribe button and join our YouTube family so that you never miss a video. First step we take to maintain healthy ends is the BAGGY method. Guys, if you do not try any other step we mentioned today, try this step. It literally works, we can promise. So the BAGGY method is simply a routine of applying a moisturizer on your hair, then covering it in a plastic bag or plastic shower cap for either a few hours or overnight. The plastic bag traps in the heat, which gives your hair the added moisture that it needs. This BAGGY method can help to grow your hair and it keeps your ends moisturized, which prevents dryness and hair breakage. The next step that we take is to hydrate our hair tips every single day. Oftentimes, the first part of our hair to suffer from dryness and break off are the hair ends, which is why it's very important to moisturize and seal your hair daily. So we have our daily routine of moisturizing our hair with a liquid or cream moisturizer, and then we seal it off with an oil just to lock the moisture in. The next step that we take to maintain healthy ends is deep conditioning. Now, it wouldn't be a video if we do not mention how important deep conditioning is. Deep conditioning prevents hair damage. When your hair ends are moisturized through deep conditioning, it prevents it from breakage and split ends. And regular deep conditioning sessions nourish your hair and strengthen your hair in the long run. The next step we take is the protein and Ayurvedic treatments. Now guys, we've been obsessed with Ayurvedic treatments, which we have been sharing on our channel here, but this is something that we do every once a month, either a protein treatment or an Ayurvedic treatment, in order to help our ends thrive. The protein and Ayurvedic treatment help strengthen the hair ends and give it the elasticity to withstand daily friction. Ayurvedic treatments, especially like FENUGREEK and rice water, naturally contain protein, so they can be used just once a month. But by far our best Ayurvedic treatment out of all of them is Chebe. Chebe is amazing for your ends. Just creating a Chebe mask, coating it on the ends of your hair helps to prevent split ends, breakage, and it leads to length retention. The next step that you need to watch out for is rough detangling. Now, this is an overlooked step that prevents you from carelessly damaging your ends. It's very important to detangle your hair gently. Never comb your hair when it's completely dry or completely soaking wet. And also make sure to always add moisture when detangling so that a comb can easily glide through your hair. The next step is a step to protect your ends, which is the use of bonnets and silk pillowcases. This is an age-old step. Protecting your ends with a silk scarf or a silk bonnet when going to bed helps protect it, as the ends are fragile and the oldest part of the hair. Constant friction against your ends can lead to breakage, which is the reason why it should always be protected overnight. The next step we take is little to no heat. Guys, we actually haven't used heat in our hair for almost a year. We have resorted to air drying our hair every single wash day. If you want to retain length and have healthy ends, you may need to ditch the blow dryers and flat irons for a while. All of the heat may be why you have breakage issues and your ends continue to be fried by the blow dryers or flat irons. It especially affects your ability to retain length if you have heat damage, and you may constantly need to cut your hair. Another very important step is frequent trims. This gets rid of any damaged or split ends and allows for new growth to come through. We typically trim our hair every 2 to 3 months. Consistent trims lead to length retention. So the last and final step we take is to ensure inner health and to make sure there is no iron deficiency in our diet. Iron deficiency leads to hair shedding and hair loss. In order to avoid that, we maintain a diet full of iron-rich foods like chicken, fish, lentils, lean beef, and leafy greens like spinach. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found any of these steps helpful, please share it down below in the comment section which ones you liked and which ones you'll be implementing. Also, feel free to share your own routines with us down as well. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!